If you run a digital marketing agency doing websites, SEO, pay-per-click, social media, email marketing, funnels, and you're looking to take your digital marketing agency to the next level, you want to make more money, you want to have more freedom, you want to have a bigger impact, I want to invite you to an event that I call the 7-Figure Agency Roadmap. It's a 2-day event really built to help you grow and scale your business to 7 figures and beyond over the next 12 to 24 months. So I know that there's really 4 key pillars to growing and scaling a successful digital marketing agency. And they're landing clients. You have to have a strategy to land clients on a very consistent basis, delivering results, being able to knock it out of the park for your clients, get them a tangible, measurable return on investment every single time. Retaining clients, you have to have a strategy to retain your clients long term so they stick with you month in and month out so you don't feel like you're taking one step forward and one step back. And scale. You have to have systems and procedures so that you can get the work done, you can continue to grow the business without having to do it all yourself. I find that when you do it that way, you wind up with 3 things. You wind up with more money to pay your bills, to live your desired lifestyle, more freedom to do the things you want to do, to have the flexibility, to spend the time with the family, and more impact, right? Because you're serving clients, they're getting great results, and you're investing in a team that's growing. At this event, that's exactly what I share. I unpack our 7-figure agency model. We use an 118-page workbook, and we really go deep on those 4 key pillars. So if that sounds good to you, if you're serious about taking your digital marketing agency and your life to the next level, register now. It's completely free of charge, and I promise you it will be a life-changing experience that will accelerate the growth of your digital marketing agency. I look forward to seeing you there.
Hey guys, I'm Rob Leishman with Legit5 Marketing. It's been awesome. The content and the value that Josh hands out, second to none.
Okay, so my take on everything is I learned a lot on how to be an agency owner, to own an agency and not let an agency own me. So I own a business and I don't own just a job. I definitely recommend this to anybody that's actually trying to check this out, wondering if this is right for you. The good thing is that you're gonna get so much value out of this for free that you might as well check it out.
Hey there, Amy Dix with High Rise Promotions. I could not be more stoked over what just happened over the last 2 days. Josh is an amazingly open person and just really shared so much value, so much content to be able to take your business to the next level, and I'm so excited to keep working with Josh.
What's going on, guys? It's Luis Alvarado here, and I wanted to give a big shout out to Josh because I've been in the industry already for several years and I have seen so many courses, so many resources out there, and after going through his program and going through his coaching, I can 100% tell you with confidence that it's unlike anything else that's out there in the market. And he really gets you thinking not just how you can be working in your business, but actually working on your business.
Hi, I'm Tommy Stitt from Firm Centric. I just finished the 7-Figure Agency Roadmap with Josh Nelson. You're going to learn how to build your agency from scratch, not make any of the mistakes and going through all the process, be able to scale it, hire the right employees, whether it's white label or otherwise. It's just an amazing event all around. I recommend it 100%.
I just finished up a great 2 days with Josh Nelson. What an amazing event. I highly recommend it to anyone to get here. You will learn so much. I have so many great ideas I'm leaving with. Can't wait. The future is so bright because of all the training we got over the last 2 days. I highly recommend this. It really gives you the information, all the pieces that you need to be successful in running your agency. Whether you have already an established agency or like me, you're just starting out, it's an incredible 2 days with an incredible amount of knowledge that you will leave here.
Hey, my name's Jeremy and this is Svetlana, and we just finished up our 2-day experience here with the 7-Figure Agency. If you're wanting to learn how to take your digital agency and basically take it to the next level to where you're not working in it as like an employee, but you want to work on it and be an owner, an actual owner like you originally wanted to do probably when you started it, this is the system, this is the place to be.
Hey, I just got done with the 7-Figure Agency event, and I have had a great experience these whole 2 days. So what I would say, what I love about this is that Josh gives very clear steps on what to do. I mean, it literally is a roadmap for building your agency and scaling. He not only gives steps, but he gives the tools to do it. and the resources to do it. If you're thinking about it, I would definitely recommend it. And just something that I really appreciated about this event, now I am a member, I became a member. Something that I appreciated is that he gave very valuable content and information without selling. You know, I've been to some of these other events before, and it's like constant salesy, be a part of our program, become a member. He didn't do that. He really just was giving valuable information and content that you can take without becoming a member. You can take and scale your agency. Of course, I would recommend being a member too, because I just love the resources and the materials that he provides and the support. It will make a huge difference in your agency.